Good morning. I am going to continue my video lecture series based upon on computer networks. My topic is on virtual LANs. Virtual LAN means it is on wireless computer networks. We are having a high frequency radio waves instead of cables for connecting the devices within the limited area forming. The user connects by wireless LAN can move around within the limited areas as well as home, college, and office buildings and banking, any other places. And we are having components here. The station STA. The station comprises of all devices and equipped that are connected to the wireless LANs. Each station has a wireless network interface controller. We are having two types of stations: wireless access point and client. Wireless access point means it is we are having within the limited area. The access point will be happened. We are having a username and password. Out of the limited areas, the connection will be disconnected. Basic service set, and the basic service set is a group of stations communicating at a physical layer level. It is having two categories: infrastructure BSS, independent BSS. Extended service set is a small set. It is a set of all connected BSS, and the distribution station is it connects access point to the ESS. And then we are having an STA here. Within the BSS, all the STAs will be bundled, and then by using an AP, the distributed system will be is an access point for the ESS. By using a distributed system, the network will be happened for STA and BSS clients. And we are having types of WLANs. Infrastructure mode and ad hoc mode. Infrastructure mode is a mobile device or client connect to an access point, and that it in turn connects via a bridge to the LAN or internet. The client transmit frames to other client via the APs. Ad hoc mode is a client transmit frames directly to each other in a peer-to-peer fashions. We are having an advantage. They provide cluster-free homes, office and network places. LAN is a scalable nature. Devices may be added or removed from the network at greater easy than wired LANs. The system is portable within the network coverage. Access to the network is not bounded by the length of cables. Installation and setup is much easier than the wired counterpart. The equipment and setup costs are reduced. Distance of LANs and radio waves are used for communication than signals or noise with the more interference from nearby stations. Greater care is needed for encrypting information. They are more prone to errors. They require greater bandwidth than the wired LANs. The wired LANs are slower than the wired LANs. WLANs. And then 802 architecture is there are two types of services: basic service set and extended service set. Basic service set means it is a stationary or mobile wireless station or central hub station can access point. The use of access point is optional. If the access point is not present, it is known as standalone network. Such as BSS cannot send data to the other BSS. This type of architecture is called as an ad hoc architecture. And then we are having an extended services. An extended service set is creating by joining to a more basic service set having an access point. We are having two types of stations: mobile station and stationary station. Mobile station is a normal inside the BSS. They will be taken part from the mobile station. Stationary station means it is an AP station that have present in the wireless LAN. Communication between two stations, two different BSS usually occur via APs. We are having a station non-transition mobility, BSS transition mobility, ESS transition mobility. And the no transition mobility means these type of stations are either stationary or immovable or move only inside the BSS. And then BSS means it is a types of station can move from one BSS to another BSS, but the movement is limited inside the ESS. And the ESS means it is a move from one ESS to another ESS. Communication may or may not continuous with when a station moves from one ESS to another ESS. They have physical layer function. We are having physical layer is responsible for converting data streams into signals. The bit of 802.11 network can convert to radio waves to infrared waves. We are having 6 different specifications and an implementation expect from industry, scientific and medical bands. The 3 bands is unlicensed and their ranges are we are having industrial, scientific and medical bands. We are having 902 megahertz to 928 megahertz, and then 2.4 gigahertz to 2.483 gigahertz, and then 5.7 gigahertz to 5.8 gigahertz. It is a frequency for transferring data and then transferring the radio waves to infrared waves. Thank you.